Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The points minus 4, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 3 are vertices of a and there are types of triangles given. So let's first try to find if they form a right angle triangle. Let's name them A minus 4, 0, B 4, 0 and C 0, 3. If they form right angled triangle, then multiplication of any two of the slopes will be minus 1 because those two lines will be perpendicular to each other. So m1 into m2 should be minus 1. So let's first find slope of all the sides. Slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 0 minus 0 upon 4 minus of minus 4, which is equal to 0. So we can say that it is parallel to x axis. Slope of BC is again y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 is 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3 by 4, and slope of AC equal to again y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus of minus 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So none of the slopes multiply to give minus 1 as products. So we can none of the m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. Thus there is no right angled triangle. So let's check for isosceles or equilateral triangle. So in order to check for that, what we'll need to do is we'll need to find lengths of all the sides. So length of AB is nothing but distance between the points A and B, which is given by x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square whole under root units. So we can say, let's put the values here. So for AB, it's under root of x1 minus x2 is 4 minus of minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus y2 is 0 square. So 4 minus of minus 4 is 4 plus 4. So it is 8 square, and under root of 8 square is 8 units. Since this is distance, so we can ignore the negative value of square root. Length of BC is distance between points B and C, which is again the same x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square whole under root units. So let's put the values. 3 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to 3 minus 0 is 3 square, which is 9, and 0 minus 4 is minus 4 square, which is 16, which is under root 25. Again, since this is distance, we can ignore the negative value, so we get 5 units. Now last, length of AC is equal to distance between points A and C, which is again the same formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square whole under root. X1 is 0, x2 is minus 4, y1 is 3, y2 is 0. So 0 minus of minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, which is again minus of minus 4 whole square is nothing but 16, and 3 minus 0 whole square is 9. So 16 plus 9, again root 25, again ignoring negative value, we get 5 units. Now looking at the lengths of the two sides, we can say that two sides are equal. Therefore, two sides are equal in length. Therefore, they form an isosceles triangle. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option B, isosceles triangle.